Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download credit report from Experian. If you want to keep a PDF copy of your Experian credit report for your own records or provide to evidence of fraud, go to the Experian website and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up. Now from the top menu, select Credit Report. Options usually include Summary, Score, Credit Report, Protect, Compare Offers. Just scroll down until you see a button that says Print or Save Your Credit Report. A new tab will open showing your full credit report in PDF format. Now depending on your browser device, choose Save as PDF or Export as PDF. Save it securely to your computer or phone, and now you can have a downloadable PDF copy of your Experian credit report complete with the generated date. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.